In today's video, I will walk you through how to swap tokens on Uniswap. Once you're on the Uniswap homepage, you'll see the swap interface. In the top token field, select the token you want to exchange. This is the token you'll be sending. Click on the token selector, search for the asset you want to use, and choose it from the list. Next, move to the bottom token field and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. After selecting both tokens, enter the amount you want to swap. You can type the amount of the token you're sending, and Uniswap will automatically calculate the estimated amount you'll receive based on the current market price and available liquidity. Take a moment to review the transaction details. You'll be able to see the estimated output amount, the price impact, the network fee, and any other important information shown before confirming the swap. Carefully review these details so you know exactly what to expect. Once everything looks correct, click the swap button. A confirmation window will appear summarizing the transaction details. After the transaction has been confirmed on the network, your wallet balance will update to reflect the newly received tokens. Depending on network activity, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. And that's how to swap tokens on Uniswap.